Upon reaching 10th rank, members of the various Elementalist classes can choose to embark upon the creation of a magically enchanted item with certain properties. These range from earth, fire, water, air, to darkness. Earth has Ericado's plough that turns any ground into fertile soil, even sand. Fire is symbolized by Zedrenic's torch that burns indefinitely and can float by its owner even under the harshest of conditions, such as a hurricane underwater. Water is represented by Orion's water skin that stays perpetually filled with the purest water. AIR is symbolized by Lianral's fife, a musical instrument that can make victims helplessly dance. Darkness is embodied by Dahaldran's lantern that floats by its owner and radiates black light. In addition to these, there are a variety of Aurorium items to choose from, each with its unique magical abilities. These include the Aurorium carpet, Aurorium gauntlets, Aurorium water jug, Aurorium rope belt, Aurorium fruit barrel, bridle and bit, Aurorium horseshoes, Aurorium saddle, Aurorium boots, Aurorium pouch, Aurorium headband, Aurorium hourglass filled with Zedricium sand, counterweight, Aurorium balances, and Aurorium crucifix. The magical properties of these Aurorium items remain a mystery, awaiting discovery by those brave enough to embark on this magical journey. If high enchantment was selected as a skill of the mighty, Elementalists can choose to be able to create the following items at 25th rank. Gerolom's water sensor maintains large underground water source underneath, gives plus D3 O manipulation and resilience, rolled each time, and can flood large radius 3 times a day. Sathet's tablets 1/8 age that is inflicted upon others can be subtracted from age. Ahelev's runestones, -1 magic point cost per extra lot invested. Vizop's cauldron pipe gives the ability to smoke injections through a pipe. This makes them more reliable and in some cases better. Aralarin's mandolin. Large area effect, O manipulation, X5, M, O manipulation, plus D3 versus resilience pacifism. Spell cannot retaliate, 1/3 defense. The skills to enable the creation of the loathed lesser rod of destruction can be learned by any elementalist when they reach 8th rank. It consists of a long shaft of low-grade azurium, ending in a sphere of enchanted silver. This dome-like end draws magical power from the rod of azurium, and this can be released as a bolt of white energy. Range 20 M speed, equal sign genetics, 2D, 10, 2D, 10p. It costs 10 magic points and takes both hands to activate the rod. It may be used D 2 times per day. It takes 4 months to create a lesser rod of destruction. This skill may be selected by elementalists of 10th rank or greater. A more powerful version of the previous lesser rod of destruction, this magical weapon uses higher quality azurium and enchants the silver sphere to a greater degree. A brighter bolt of energy travels further and faster. It has a range of 30 M, a speed equal sign genetics plus 1/2 rank, RD, and will inflict 3d10, 3d10p. It drains 10 magic points when the two-handed rod is used. It can be used D 3 times per day. It takes 9 months to build a rod of destruction. A lesser rod of destruction and rod of destruction can both be possessed by the same character. They just cannot be used when both are equipped at once, and often a horse or vehicle is used to carry the other. 12th rank must be attained before an elementalist has the knowledge to choose this skill. The Greater Rod of Destruction is one of the most feared magical weapons on New Hades. A perfectly straight and regular shaft of the highest grade azurium is joined to an orb of silver that is so charged with magical energy that small white sparks play upon its reflective surface. When used, an extremely powerful bolt of bright white energy can be directed at a single being within 40 M. With a speed equal sign, genetics plus rank, and inflicting 4d10, 4d10p. Each time the rod is activated, with both hands, 10 magic points are used. It can be used D 4 times per day. It takes 13 months to complete a Greater Rod of Destruction.